Welcome back to TechWise. Are you looking for ways to simplify your meal planning and eat healthier? Your smartphone is the perfect tool to help you do just that. Let's start with a quick introduction to why planning meals with your phone can make a huge difference in your life. Meal planning doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. We're going to use tools you already have to keep things simple. Your phone already has powerful apps like Notes, Keep, and Calendar that can make your meal planning easier and healthier. First, let's look at how to organize your meal ideas efficiently using simple note-taking apps. Use an app like Notes or Google Keep to create a simple weekly meal list. Jot down the meals you plan to make each day.
Chicken on Tuesday
Well,
and sushi on Wednesday.
yeah, with sushi. Yeah.
Found a great recipe online? Add the direct link to your meal list in the Notes app so you can quickly access it when it's time to cook. Next, let's tackle the grocery store, replacing that paper list with an organized digital one. Whatever app you prefer, use your preferred app to start building your shopping list based on your meal plan. At the store, easily check off items as you put them in your cart. This helps you stay focused and avoids buying unnecessary items. If you're running low on an item, use voice input to instantly add items to your list, saving time and ensuring you don't forget anything important.
Add Cheez-Its to the shopping list.
Visual organization is key, and your phone's camera is perfect for cataloging your meal inspirations. Snap photos of ingredient labels for future reference, meals you loved, or recipes you want to revisit. It's instant inspiration. You could even create a dedicated photo album, perhaps called Meal Ideas or Healthy Eating, to keep all your visual inspiration neatly organized and easy to browse. Finally, let's integrate these plans into your weekly schedule using your phone's calendar app. Add simple reminders to your calendar like prep veggies tonight or defrost chicken for Tuesday. These small actions make a big difference when dinner time rolls around. These small proactive reminders help you build and maintain healthy habits without feeling overwhelmed by a big cooking session. Let's quickly recap the 4 main strategies to help you plan smarter meals with your phone. Remember the 4 simple steps. Use Notes or Keep for ideas, create a digital grocery list, save photos for inspiration, and set calendar reminders. Combine these skills and start planning healthier meals with confidence and ease today. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I hope now you are more tech-wise.